So hello, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to take you in a very special journey. Going to buy groceries. Living in the most sanctioned country in the world makes even the simplest thing as buying a packet of milk or bread a little different. So let's go and explore the grocery store. Извините, где есть рис?
Рис
Да.
направо по диагонали. Вот бордовые вывеску видите? Там же как раз все
Спасибо
крупы.
большое.
Пожалуйста.
So let me show you. All of them muka written on it. They are not atta. Like a very big selection, but none of it is atta. Only this. This is atta. This words written on it. This is atta, and they are maida. So you need to use this and avoid this and everything else. So yeah. And they say Russia has sanctions. A sneaker super just for 81 rubles, 82 rubles. Mars for 69. So this is what do you call it? Section of Russian masale. Like this is some sort of chili powder, some herbs, haldi, then basil. No, this dhania, basil, and what do you call it? I forgot the name. A lesun and everything. But they are very, very mild to Indian taste. Like you won't even feel the spicy if you consume the whole packet raw. You won't feel it spicy because Russian palate is very soft for our level of spiciness. Lotte choco pie is still available. Shampoo, L'Oreal still available. Pasta. So what do people do is they buy all the utensils from India, bring it to Russia, and they're quite heavy, right? So let me give you an example. You can see here, right? This pan will cost you around 1300 rubles. It's thick, it is induction and a cooktop one, just for 1400, and it's thick, you can see that. So it doesn't make sense to buy utensils from India and bring it here. It will make your bag heavy. You cannot bring enough masales. So it doesn't make a sense. You can buy every utensils here and they're of good quality, good pricing. They are not very expensive from India. Are slightly expensive, you can consider that, but most of them are affordable. Like I'll show you a plate for, not a plate, pan for less than 1,000. Like for example, this one with the cover itself and the just for 1,000. Just for 11. So it makes more sense buying it here rather than in India. So as you must know that Russia has a cold near the Arctic, so the fresh vegetables are a little bit expensive, especially like tomatoes. This tomato is for 169 ruble per kilogram. The tomato is beautiful. And it varies depending on the type of tomato. This is 171. This is for 400 rubles per kilogram. So it varies depending on the type, the breed of tomatoes. You'll find fresh dhania. This is not dhania actually. This is not kinja. This is cilantro. This is onion. So you'll easily find fresh vegetables, but they are quite on the expensive side. If you are non-vegetarian or you consume meat, unlike me, it's very easy to survive on a low budget. But if you are consuming meat, then it's a bit more expensive. So if you are not consuming meat, then it is a bit more expensive. And so you'll even find Indian rices here. This is Tashmeem Maidi 212 Basmati Sela rice. Let me show you the cost of vegetables. A kilogram of this grapes for 179 rubles. And you can see the prices. Okay. Lesun, also known as chekok in Russian, 70. This is per kilogram. Then adrak for 459 rupees per kilogram. Luke means paj. There are different kinds of paj: red, white, and one more. So it varies. The red one is 260. The white one is 270, I guess. Then 59. It varies depending on the brand, depending on the type you choose. Then aloo, the survival vegetable. It costs around. Kartoffel is aloo. The red aloo will cost you 140 rupees per kilogram. No, for 2.5 kilogram. This packets. That packet of aloo will cost you 140. That is 156 rubles per kilogram. And then other will be 70 rubles per kilogram. I don't know which aloo is which color. Sorry, which color aloo is which name. The OG cabbage, the wholesome Russian food, is kapusta. That is 22 rubles per kilogram. Carrots is 23 rubles per kilogram. Yeah. You can buy potatoes like in a bag of 10 kilograms. That is 23 rubles per kilo. Around 230 rupees for this much potato. That is cheap. Baby corn for like 249 rubles. That is not very expensive.
You can see here.
I guess it is how much gram? 30 grams of green chili or red chili will cost you around 100 rubles, and 1 kilogram that costs around 30 to 40 rupees in India, it will cost you 3,300 rupees. It is dang expensive. I have never tried this mushroom. I want to, but I don't know how to cook. Oh, टमाटर बड़े मजेदार. Awkward हो जाता है. Then you have capsicum, red, yellow, then some kharab हुए brinjal. It is around 127, 129, so roughly okayish mushroom. I always buy this kind of mushroom, so you can select which one you want. It is for 289 rubles per kilogram. You can buy the boxed one too if you like. Then this is palak. If you want to have palaki sabji, this is palak. It is 189 per 500 gram. This is palak. This is broccoli for 499 per kilogram. Musk melon for 70. If you translate in Google, every item made of cheese will sound like paneer. It shows it as paneer. But the only paneer that is legitimately paneer, it is this. The Adi Giski Sir. It is written on it. So if you want to eat paneer, this is it. This one too, Adi Giski Sir. Everything that has Adi Giski Sir written on it, Sir is cheese, Adi Giski means paneer. Like Adi Giski Sir means cottage cheese. So you can get that. Everything else, like Tvorg, it will show you in Google Translate as paneer, but it is not paneer. It will melt when you cook it. So thank me later. Few more things. This is cheese. The dairy section of Russian supermarket are so full. Russians are very, very fond of dairy product. So dairy and bread. Some frozen fish, some shrimp. This shrimp's right. Yeah, this is shrimp. Then I was talking about this. It shows as paneer, that cottage cheese in Google Translate, but this is not cottage cheese. This is Tvorg. This is a completely different thing. This is milk. Molako is milk. 2.5% will cost you around 85 rubles. It is 0.9 liters, and it varies depending on the company, depending on the brand you go. This is Tan. Tan is very similar to Chach. Smetana. This is Smetana. It is very similar to Dahi. This one is actually, we use it as Dahi. Similar. Exactly Dahi. Not similar, but yeah. So half kilo of Dahi will cost you around 50, 60 rubles. Then a big, like, 2 liters of milk will cost you 209 on bottle. The packets one are, for example, this is 2.5 per fat percentage milk, 1 liter. It is 70 rubles. So it is not that expensive. Dairies and bakery or the bread section is very affordable in Russia. Now here is the frozen food section. A lot of frozen berries, Russia berries. Then this is French fries, kartoffel. Then mushroom, if you want frozen mushroom, that is 174 rubles per packet. This is mixed veg, frozen. Like you have a very good option, very good variety of food you can buy. You can see the bread section. It is very, very huge. Like this section is starting from there till that end is full of breads and freshly baked breads. This is baguette, what do we call it? Then this is the bakery section back there. So they freshly baked this. Like this is like the sourdough bread. This is the, what I forgot the name, garlic bread. This is our daily go-to if we don't have time to prepare our meal. And again the bakery section, like cakes and all. There are some options where there is no egg on the cake, but it's very, very rare to find. And yeah, there are two types of mayonnaise. One has eggs and other is made out of olives. So you can prefer that if you are a vegetarian, because vegetarians do not eat eggs. Simple as that. So it is written Parmesan here. It is for only 200 rubles. Mamma mia! So I have been joined by my very, very good senior. So he will tell us the exact rates and types of chicken to avoid and types of chicken to buy.
तो देखो यहाँ पे दो टाइप के चिकन मिलते हैं, एक हलाल होगा, एक नॉन हलाल होगा। मेरे को तो पता नहीं था आने के पहले कि फ़र्क क्या रहता है दोनों में, लेकिन देखो ये चिकन ब्रेस्ट है, तो इसकी प्राइस है बेसिकली 400 रुपल्स पर केजी। अगर आप दूसरे सेक्शन में जाएंगे, जैसे सामने के सेक्शन में, वहाँ पे होल चिकन मिलेगा। यहाँ पे होल चिकन आप खुद लेके काट सकते हैं, ये लोग काट के नहीं देते हैं, नहीं तो आपको अलग अलग उसके वो मिल जाएंगे, पार्ट्स मिल जाएंगे। जैसे आपको एक विंग्स मिल जाएगा, थाइज़ मिल जाएंगे, ब्रेस्ट मिल जाएंगे, फिर लेग्स मिल जाएंगे। वहाँ पे डिपेंड करता है, सबकी प्राइस भी डिपेंड करती है उसके ऊपर। तो जैसे यहाँ पे ये है ब्रेस्ट, वो लेग्स हो गया, और फिर ये थाइज़ रह गए। सबकी प्राइस डिपेंड करती है। ब्रेस्ट हमेशा महंगे आते हैं, थाइज़ उससे सस्ते हैं, और उससे सस्ते मिलेंगे अपने को लेग्स। उसमें भी डिपेंड करता है अगर हलाल है नॉन हलाल है। तो यहाँ पे अगर हम देखेंगे तो होल चिकन सामने के सेक्शन में है। हाँ, जैसे अभी दिख रहा है यहाँ पे ये हलाल वाला चिकन है 239 पर केजी। बट अगर आप नॉन हलाल देखेंगे तो 180 या 190 जैसे तक मिल जाएगा। स्टोर पे डिपेंड करेगा, ये कंपनी अलग है इसलिए इसके प्राइजेस भी डिफ़र कर रहे हैं।
Even after the sanctions, you will not see a single shelf that is empty. All shelves are filled to the brim. The only thing different is that the label has changed. This is not Coca-Cola anymore. This is Dobre Cola. That means good cola. The same level of sugar, the same level of ingredient, the same level of unhealthiness, but still available. Here is the cookie section, and Nescafe pre-made coffees. Then this kind of cookies. And trust me, they are so tasty. Like I can't even describe the level of taste they have. There's an uncle riding his Bugatti. And even after the sanctions, goddamn Nivea and Colgate is available. Colgate, Oral-B, Colgate. Like, it will be a shocker if I see Dant Kanti or Patanjali in here. This is Sensodyne too. You'll find Gillette easily. Gillette, Nivea, Axe, Old Spice, Rexona. Somehow it's still available. So this is the kitchen kind of or canteen kind of area. Well, if you find pre-made foods, you can just order it, heat it, and eat it. So yeah, if convenient, if you are shopping, you feel hungry, eat it, enjoy. You'll find magga, very similar price as a D-Mart or Indian stores. A set of dabba or a single dabba, 200. Okay, not expensive. 269, 218. Spatulas, I will prefer you not to use this one because they're plastic. A silicone one is fine, but avoid plastics. The loha or the steel one will cost you 399, 379. Okay, not that expensive. Chakus, knives will cost you anywhere between starting from 139 till 2000. This is lint roller. If your clothes have lints, that is, growths in your clothes, you can just use that and remove it. As you'll see, people say buy pen in India, it's very expensive in Russia. Come on. You can buy your stationeries from India, but still, come on. The copies like this is lined copy for 60 rubles. Okay. This is for 11. Very thin, square Russian notebooks. Because if you submit your copy to a teacher, you'll never get it back. If you want to make your personal notes, then buy big, thick classmate notebooks and bring it from India. But if you want to make digital notes in your iPad, doesn't make sense buying copies from India. Still, stationery area, stationery. I have very low battery on my camera. I forgot the extension. A trimmer is 799, 4000, 2000. Hyundai is a good company. 1400. So, if you have a trimmer, you can bring it. But if you are planning to buy a trimmer just for Russia, you can buy it easily here. Like a hair straightener, it's 1300, 1200. I've seen around 600, 700. A hair dryer, 1500, 1600. You can find it on 600, 700 online. So it's okay. You don't need to bring it. Tires for winters. They have this kind of grips on them so it doesn't lose traction while driving. People often bring So actually we are currently sitting in Delhi Mobile. I am not the driver. Our senior Farman Bhai is the driver. So this is a kind of he's the driver actually. So this is a kind of a cab where you book and drive yourself and leave it where you land. I'm really sorry I couldn't give you the extra because my phone and my camera died. Thank you so much for watching it till the end. See you soon in the next one. Jai Hind.